I got something from Skims in the mail today, so I wanted to open it together. Got like a bodysuit. Should I open it? Wait, this is so tiny. No, do you see how actually tiny this is? This better snatch me to the motherfucking gods. Give me lipo with this. That's what I want. I'm about to put it in my closet. My plant just lost a leaf. I have like this plant and it just shed a leaf. I don't know what that means. If you don't know what that means, then you probably don't have plants. Then I got gifted by Mugler. I don't really know how you say the name. Mugler. I guess it's like a new like perfume that they made or something. I don't know. I'm gonna smell it though. Let's see if it smells good. I'm red. Ooh, it smells so good. You know what this smells like? And I mean this in like the best way possible. I don't know if you remember like 2017 era Victoria's Secret. Not even Victoria's Secret, it was pink. And they had like this red bottle. That's what this smells like. Like I smell edible, delicious, like not in like a vanilla-y like nasty type of way, but like this is literally gonna go right next to my other perfumes, except I can only show you like literally like a little bit, because if any of you guys find out what scent I use, like I'm so weird about that. Like if anybody's ever like, oh girl, like what perfume are you wearing, like I'm either gonna lie to you or I'm gonna just tell you. That's a secret I'll never tell. But let me go throw this in the recycling, because we recycle in this household, okay? Yeah, do I smell good? What you think? And I know my skin is on some bullshit right now, so don't judge me for the bumps and whatever. I don't even know what's going on either. But what is impressing me is that my smile lines have not creased. Okay, I just diffused my hair. It's still drying a little bit. I noticed that if I diffuse my hair for too long, it gets like really frizzy. So we just did a little bit, and the rest I'm gonna just let it air dry. Literally here at Soso, it's like super cute. You know you're there when you see like everything in pink. It's like honestly so adorable. Okay, a little fit check. I'm about to walk inside right now. Take a look at this shop. Tell me it's not adorable. Oh my god, stop, wait. Do you guys see that? That's so cute. I just found this shop like, I don't know, like maybe 2 weeks ago. But basically next weekend, not this weekend, but the 4th and the 5th, I'm gonna be selling some of my closet here. So definitely come check it out. Oh, hold on. We need like a moment of silence for these fitting rooms. They're literally so aesthetic. Like I could live, like do you see this? I could literally live here. It's so fucking cute. Stop. Also, quick little fit check. I literally have like 5 trash bags filled with clothes, so I'm literally just drop everything off here. How I found this place was I was originally gonna go thrifting over there at Radstar, and then I literally seen this pink building and I was like, wait, stop it, like I have to come see what this is, you know what I'm saying? Like I just dropped off everything. I'm gonna stop by on both days, so don't be shy, come say hi. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Okay, so the bag is secured. We finally got it. They gave me 2 things. Wait, hold on. I don't know. Maybe this is like a sample. I don't really know. I have literally no idea what it is. But I did get the pink 1 size from here, so that's exciting. I literally ended up getting an email saying that it was back in stock, so I was on that shit. You better believe it. So I just got to the second mall. Just take a photo. Sorry about that. But we're on our way to the second Sephora finally. I'm so excited. Literally I've been dying for this powder, like you have no idea. Okay, so the second bag is secured. I feel accomplished. Oh my god, I forgot to brush my teeth first. Don't wash your face unless you brush your teeth first. I'm gonna have to wash my face again. Don't start with me. No. So I'm just about to edit and do all the behind the scenes work that nobody thinks about. And I usually just do it either from bed or on the couch. But today, I don't actually wear glasses. These are like blue light glasses, but a lot of my work is online. So I got like my to-do list right now. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot to do. And that's all today. I got my little assistant, Baby Bugs. This is the working from home fit. Just some boxer shorts, tank top, and my hair is literally giving me Mufasa right now. I'm not gonna get ready until later today.